I retired a few years ago, and like a lot of people who retire, I quickly realized something. It's one thing to have saving. It's another thing to make those savings actually work for you. I didn't want to sit around on the portfolio watching CNBC and hoping. I wanted to do something with it, so I learned to trade option for income. And in this video, I want to tell you exactly why and why. If you're in or near retirement, you might want to consider too. We use that business specializing computers for video editing. We used to train and provide solutions for video production work. After COVID, we closed the whole business and retired. When I was doing my business, I always loved to go to all the trading and financial seminar and trading. Not just because I was curious about how they work, but also I want to build something I could use when I retire. Well, fast forward, it's more than 10 years now, and it wasn't a really smooth ride for me. I've learned so many techniques from stock trading, dividend income, forex, future trading, and finally option trading. There was a lot of up and down. I've made plenty of mistakes. Here, what I've learned is more than powerful than I'm an expert, and I will teach you the secret. I have found option trading, and this is the best trading method for retirement because it's an instrument which allows you to make consistent income and no stress. When you look at the normal retirement income problem, like bond, it's paid too little, dividend stock are slow, you don't want to draw down your principal. What's premium selling option offer you? You can generate income from position without selling your underlying stock. The 3 or 4 strategy which I usually use, which is credit spread on SPY, QQQ or ETF, which has defined risk. You can do weekly or monthly income. The next one is cover call on stock. And next one is cash secure put on stock under $50. That's when you get paid to wait to buy stock you want. Next one, the LIPS for occasionally, that for long dated directional play. Why does this fit a retiree mindset? Because it's a smaller, consistent win, a bit home runs. The honest truth about the strategy, it's not a passive income. You have to manage your position. You will have some loose trade. Anyone telling you otherwise is lying. The learning curve is real. You can't just watch one video and start trading 10 contracts. You need a brokerage account, a support option, and approval for the level you want to trade. The capital requirement, realistically, you need a few $1,000s to do this meaningfully. Why most people quit? Because they get one bad trade and they abandon the strategy. Watch this channel will teach you a real trade, wins and loss with your actual reasoning. Strategy explained in plain English, no jargon dump. Risk management for retirement portfolio, honest discussion of return. Watch this channel is not a financial advice or hot stock tip. It's not day trading. It's not a get rich quick. We try to do posting on Tuesday and Friday each week. If this is the kind of channel you've been looking for, please hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Next Friday, I'm walking through one of the real trade, what I saw, why I enter, and what I'm watching for. So drop a comment below. What's the first question you have about option trading in retirement? I will answer them in upcoming video. This video is educational content only, not a financial advice. Always consult a qualified professional. Thanks for watching. I'm David. See you in next video.